I'm in a brand new 2026 AMG GT63 Coupe, and the car is fucking beautiful. Alcantara everywhere. AMG dynamic steering wheel, looks fucking badass. I can't turn off the radio, but there you go. Mute that shit. Look at this thing, man. Yellow stitching throughout the whole car. Alcantara carbon everywhere. This thing's almost $200,000 from factory, which is kind of nuts. We are the first in America, as of right now, from what I see, to install any catback of any sort on this AMG GT63 2026. I'm standing in front of the AMG GT63 2026 with the first aftermarket exhaust known to man in the United States. This is the first done at GExhaust, done in the United States, done on the AMG GT63. Capristo is the only system on the market that's available for this car. Full plug and play, full bolt on, keeps the car under factory warranty, and looks fucking badass. So you know what they say, you got an AMG GT, just call G if you want to do an exhaust system on it. We got you. Look at this thing, man. Carbon ceramic, carbon ceramic. That's like a $15,000, $20,000 option from Mercedes. This AMG GT comes stock, factory equipped with carbon ceramics. Look at the size of these pistons. Must be 4, 5, 6 piston brake calipers. The size of these rotors are outrageous. About the size of a Lamborghini Urus. That's a fucking SUV. The stopping power on this car is insane. Now, I'm gonna show you guys real quick the stock exhaust, because that's what we're upgrading today. Basically, standard AMG GT. Cats up top, a little bit different design than the older gen, but main thing, cats start the exhaust. Right off the turbos, catalytic converters. You wanna open that thing up, run some downpipes. Next, into 2 sets of flex pipe, some heat sensors, an H-pipe for equalization, and then piping to the back with these restrictive AMG mufflers. Now, AMG mufflers are better than stock Mercedes mufflers, but still restrictive. Trying to make it more classy than anything else. And what we do to fix that problem is upgrade it to a catback. Full performance catback for a car like this should make about anywhere from 10 to 25 horsepower, just because of how restrictive the stock exhaust is. Now, like I said, AMG has a standard AMG dynamic system equipped on all their AMGs nowadays. So when you upgrade it, you gotta upgrade big. You gotta go with something like this. Capristo is one of the most high-end brands in the world when it comes down to manufacturing exhaust. Like, look at the quality and this mirror finish on this stainless steel. Like, yo, Gotti in this bitch, looking in the mirror. You gotta put that little clip, little 1 second, fucking copyright free, you know what I'm saying? So Capristo, full stainless steel with the mirror finish. This is the highest grade stainless steel you can buy. System's about 10 G's, guys. So like I said, pretty sweet that we're the first company in the United States installing a catback on this. If you don't believe me, look it up. Pause the video right now. Go try to find an exhaust system install in the United States on this 26 AMG GT63. You won't find it, because we looked and we couldn't find it. We even asked ChatGPT, is there another company in the United States that installed an exhaust system on AMG GT? It said no, GExhaust would be the first if you were the one to do it. So fucking ChatGPT said so, you know what I'm saying? Installed the Capristo exhaust on this sweet ass AMG GT63 2026, first in the country, first Capristo sold, first AMG GT63 with aftermarket exhaust on it. We did it here at GExhaust, my boys. So pretty sweet. This thing sounds pretty damn awesome already. A little bit louder than the factory exhaust. Car tells you that there is traffic coming. Got some pull, bro. Whoa. This thing pulls, bros.